guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a small thrift haul, and I'm going to also show you a DIY before and after. So first, let's get into the haul. This was the $5.03 haul that I got the other day. So the first item I picked up was this little wooden mouse, and I thought it was really unique and kind of cool. I'm not exactly sure what this is, but I think it's a flower frog, which it has little holes all around it, so I think you can stick flowers in there. I think I'm gonna put this on my bookshelf, and it was only $2. The second thing I picked up was this small little gold lantern. It's a candle holder. It has a little door right here and then like a spot for a tea light candle. I wanted to do a little DIY on this. I wanted to soak it in a vinegar and salt solution, and I wanted to kind of make it aged. I did this with a watering can of mine, and it made it kind of nice and rusty and old looking. So I thought I would do that to this and see if I can make kind of a little set so they look like they go together. I'm gonna let that soak, and I will show you what the results look like when I'm finished with it. And this was, let's see, it says made in India, and it was only 69 cents. I just put this in a Tupperware container. I put about half a cup of just regular white vinegar in the Tupperware, and then I just filled the rest with water. And then I'm just adding some salt to the mixture, just regular table salt. I am just gonna let that soak for a little bit. So the next couple things I got were buy one, get one free. So they had all of their glasses and mugs and cups and stuff, buy one, get one free. I grabbed 2 glass mugs, and this one is like a glass coffee or tea mug, and it just has a marking on it. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it just says Canada right here. And then this one was $1. This will also be great for tea. And this one was only 79 cents, so I got this one for free. And the last thing I got was a book. It is called Do It Yourself Decorating, and it's just a large hardback book. And this was only $1. I thought this was a great find for $1, and I will also add this to my bookshelf. So this is where I ended up using the little lantern, and this is what it looked like after I soaked it in the vinegar salt solution. I just let it soak overnight, and then I just scrubbed it away with a little brush, and you can see some of the original metal coming through. And I left some of the gold because I actually liked it. I just didn't like it bright gold. I wanted it to kind of match the watering can that I did the same technique to here. So I have the lantern on that side, and then I just put the little wooden mouse flower frog here on the other side. I just have a small tea light candle inside. So this is what it looks like together. I have a lot of metal and wood accents on this shelf. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for more videos like this in the future.